So retail chain, I won't name names. One of the major retail chains in the US, brick and mortar and online, came to us, gave us an ad. We coded it, and we saw that love and competency and power were the three motivations that were strongest in that ad. We gave that to Samasio. Samasio came up with about 20 million IDs in the US that were good for love, about 22 million that were good for power, and about 21 million that were good for competency. And those were the ones that were targeted by the DSP. I think it was DV360 for this advertiser, for this campaign. And what they did was they used a different set of targets that they had been using with good results. They were kind of satisfied with the results, but they used that as the control group so they could make a comparison between what they were was Google affinity IDs, lookalikes of pet owners. And that was working pretty well for them. And then they gave all of the results, all of the data to Newstar, all of the online sales, all of the offline sales, all of the media exposure data across all the media, TV, digital, all types, social, mobile, whatever. And Newstar came back and said that our targets got 95% higher return on ad spend in terms of incremental sales than the Google affinity IDs.